After completing two colleges, one for diploma, one for BTech, I know what I'm talking. If you're going to college this year, then please do watch this video. And the 10 things that you must know before going to college. Hi, my name is Aditi. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. People are getting ready for colleges and you are going to step a new life. So congrats for that first of all. And please don't think so much. You don't need to be nervous. You don't need to be anxious. Just think in the back of your mind what I'm gonna say and I think you'll be sorted. Thing first, don't rush in making friends. It's okay if you don't make friends for college like first 6 months. Doesn't matter. You don't need to have best friends on the first day of your college. Don't people romanticize a lot of things for their college. Okay, I'll have this sorty moment and all of this. Okay, people, you might have, you will have, but you cannot force yourself, because in the process of finding yourself, the group or the friends, you will hurt yourself because they will turn out what you have not imagined, make things really worse. So you don't want to rush into things. So please don't just run into things and be like, oh, I am not making any friends for the it's even a week already. Take it slow, you will get friends, believe me. Second point, found a lot of people, and a lot of people are talking to you. Don't think everyone is your best friend. In even in your college, if you are in a group, like for example 10 people are there in your group in first semester, by the end of your college you will have like 2 to 3 people maximum. सजेशन है कि सबसे दोस्ती बना रखो, लेकिन किसी को अपनी चीजें मत बताओ, और किसी ने तुमको किसी और की चीजें बताए तो उसको मत बताओ. Just be friends with everyone. When people bitch about things like things like, oh okay, just play dumb, okay fine, किसी का स्टैंड लेने का भी जरूरत नहीं है पहले के 6 महीने में. तो थर्ड थिंग इज ग्रेड्स डू मैटर. When you go to college, ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम कैसे भी पढ़ो, you just have fun. Having fun is okay, but grades do matter to stand in front of your teachers. दोनों important है, लेकिन grades really do matter, because at the end of fourth year, when everyone leaves and everything, you only have your grades with you. You know something good is coming out of this college. You are doing something. अगर तुम्हारे college के placements भी सही नहीं हो, then you have those grades, you can do higher studies easily, placement outside of your college. So it's possible. So grades do matter, and कोशिश करना first semester से तुम्हारे grades थोड़े maintain होके जाए. You know, basically the thing is about balancing. सो आई वोंट से कि एकदम ही पूरा पूरा सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के तुम पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दो. डू अ बैलेंस. तो अपना ग्रेड्स, फॉर एग्जांपल तुम्हारा 9 CGP, तुमको तुम्हारा टारगेट है तुम्हारा 9 CGP आना चाहिए, या फिर 8 CGP पकड़ लो, 8 CGP आना चाहिए थ्रू आउट द कॉलेज. यू नीड टू नो कि ये मुझे मेंटेन करना है, इसको इसको कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. दिस इज द फिक्स थिंग. नाउ अब मुझे देखना है कि अगर मुझे बाकी सब चीजें करनी है तो मुझे कहाँ से बैलेंस करनी है. अगर तुमने दिन में घूम लिया है तो तुमको रात में आगे पढ़ना है. That's the basic calculation. You need to do the math. The next thing I am gonna say, I don't believe I'm gonna say this, but yeah, having girlfriends is really important. I have really good set of guy friends, like really good set. And when I say guy friends, I really mean it. Like they are the best thing that happened to me in college. But I also believe having girlfriends is all important. I love my hostel life. Doesn't matter I talk to them now. Only feel वो जो तुम्हारे 10 बजे के in time के बाद तुम जाके बैठते हो, you just gossip. There's no boy involved, nothing. You're just gossiping. You're just sitting. Even ऐसा भी होता है कि हम लोग इन बेड के चार कोने में 4 जन बैठ के अपना लैपटॉप चला रहे हैं. We are not talking, but still we know we are having a good time. Like रात के 2-3 बजे तक हम लोग बस बैठे हुए हैं. We're doing nothing, just sitting, but still. So that's the moment that you should not miss. Doesn't matter तुम्हारा boyfriend है नहीं है. The next thing is, remember, you are allowed to change. From first year to fourth year, you will change. So there's people will change. So just understand that fact, that you people will change. The people you meet on first year won't be the same person on the fourth year. So people do change. You yourself would change. College has changed me so drastically. I can't even say you, like the confident version you are seeing right here right now, speaking to the camera without even thinking twice, came out of the college. I would say please be grateful for your college. Maybe you didn't get into your dream college, but the college you are in right now is important, right? You are doing the course because of that college. Doesn't matter kitna kharab hai, just don't blame that college every time. Be grateful for where you are right now. The next thing I would suggest to every person, it's okay to feel lonely in a crowd. If you think that you are in a crowd and you're not feeling wanted, and you're feeling like you are stuck here, you're not wanted, you people don't want you here, and you're feeling lonely and you're feeling out, then move out from that group. कोई constant feeling आ रही है that this is not good enough, that's that, this is not made for you. Just move out from that group. अकेले रह लेना, लेकिन उस ग्रुप में बैठ के अपनी बेइज्जती या फिर अपना, you don't constantly try to feel that you're out of that group. Don't, please. Next thing I would say, keep your boundaries high. No matter what, people can talk to your back, doesn't matter, everyone talks to everyone's back, लेकिन तुम्हारे मुंह पे कोई आके तुम्हारी बेइज्जती नहीं कर सकता है. If you have certain boundaries कि ये तुम नहीं बोल सकते हो, then कोई भी इंसान तुम्हारे मुंह पे आके तो नहीं कर सकता है. People will talk, हाँ इसका ऐसा है, इसका वैसा है, पीछे बोलो ना भाई क्या बोलना है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, लेकिन you should have that much boundary that तुम्हारे सामने आके कोई तुमको नहीं बोल सकता. एंड अगर कोई बोल रहा है सामने, जस्ट डोंट लुक एट देम, जस्ट टू फॉर द सेक ऑफ कीपिंग दैट रिलेशन, कीपिंग दैट फ्रेंडशिप. डोंट, जस्ट पिक अप. यू हैव टू कीप योर बाउंड्री साइड. अगर तुमने एक इंसान के लिए वो बाउंड्री लो कर दिया, इवेंचुअली एवरी वन विल कम एट यू एंड यू कांट डू एनीथिंग बिकॉज यू हैव लोअर्ड योर स्टैंडर्ड्स देयर. सो एज द एल्डर सिस्टर आई एम सेइंग यू दैट बाकी तुम अपना बैलेंस कर लो. एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर कॉलेज लाइफ. आई रियली विश you everything. I really wish that you have a great time in your college. You have find great set of people. You learn so much. You have the best time of your life. This sayonara. See you tomorrow on my next one. Love you.